What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video. Man, we are here in the garage. Man, we still have this blue bike. I literally have to get rid of this thing. This thing has been here long overdue, literally just been sitting here, man. So don't be surprised if that thing is out of here within the next couple of days or so. But without further ado, man, we have not hopped in the vet in a long time, to be honest with you. And you know, I gotta go get a few things done, man. So I'm gonna go hop in that joint for a little while, come back, hop in the truck, get the truck cleaned up, and then who knows, might hit the auction or something. I don't know. We'll see what today holds. But without further ado, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get it in. Alrighty, let's get this thing started. Warmed up. I'm sure it's freezing in this joint. The truck should be started now too. Let's see. Yeah, it's cold in this joint. Let's get that heater going. Now let's go get in the truck and switch spots so we don't lose our spot, man. I need that front and center parking every day. Alrighty, this bad boy is started up already, running and ready to go. Still got that dirt on that thing, dog. Woo-wee. I'm digging it, man. Let's hop in this bad boy. Let's see what we got. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna even front. I'm digging the vet, man. It's like, I don't gotta sell it, but I was trying to sell it just to speed things up. But I really don't gotta sell it, man. Honestly, I can just sell the freaking bike and go hard on YouTube, you know, and make the money, you know. But just trying to be, you know, trying to move faster. But I know I can slow down and hang on to this because I really do enjoy the car. You know, it's a really good car when you can get some traction. But it's cool. I like it, man. What y'all think, though? Let me know in the comments below. Should I keep the vet and just, you know, grind harder? I mean, of course I'm gonna grind, but, you know, grind harder, try to get it done faster. Or, you know, sell the vet and, you know, go crazy. I don't know what y'all think. Let me know in the comments below. Now I need to figure out that track system and figure out if that bike can fit on the Raptor, because it's pretty much, I know I can get it sold in LA. I just haven't took it down there. So I'm tired of waiting around and, you know, waiting for stuff to happen. So I'm just like, I'm gonna just try to load it up and probably get it to LA probably today, or yeah, probably today or tomorrow if it don't sell within the next couple hours, or today rather. Because I know out there it'll sell fast, so we'll get that thing loaded up, or at least try to see if we can get it loaded up. That track system is kind of taking up some space, and the bed is already tiny as it is, but we'll see what happens. So let's go check out the truck right now. I'm trying to figure out how to get the rear track system off, but we might not have to take it off. I'm not sure. I know this thing is pretty long as it is. I know with this on there, it's probably like a good foot or so. It's really gonna be hanging off like the back end, which is not that bad, but I would rather, you know, take this off and, you know, try to do that. So I think this is pretty easy. You just gotta unbolt those two bolts on that side, and the same with this side. At least I think that's what I'm supposed to do. I'm not sure, but I need to try to figure it out, man. So we'll see. Alrighty, guys, so I took off those clamps and it looks like the whole thing just slides out. So I'm gonna move these tools, back it up a little bit, and then just try to slide it right off into the garage. guys, and just like that, it was pretty easy to take out, actually. I didn't think it was gonna be that easy, but it was. Got the little drain plug here. We'll set this up shop somewhere nice and comfortable so it doesn't get damaged. But look at the space. I was underestimating myself. Didn't think I could do it, but we did it, man. It's time to load this bike up, get this thing sold, and get back on the grind, dog. Alrighty guys, we got this thing just about cleaned up and organized. We got the truck cover over there in the corner because we're not going to be using that for a while. Got the bike over here, probably going to go clean the truck off and stuff first. Then I got to get a haircut in the morning, so I don't know if I want to go down there today or what, but I think I might wait till the morning to load it up. But I don't know, we'll see what happens. But garage definitely does look a lot better, man. Now we can get this thing back in here, get it wiped down. And I want to go for a little ride, but I'm not really worried about it, honestly. It's not really fly like the red bike, man. So I'm not really riding like that. But it is pretty clean, man. I'm digging it. What y'all think? We can probably load it up right now just to get an idea of what it's going to look like, though. Alrighty, guys. We have made it. We got our keys. All right, bet. We made it back to the car wash, man. This thing is a little bit dirty, but I just got my phone, and you guys see how if I step into the sun, it's kind of like cracked right here. Yeah, it won't be that no more when we get back to the house, so we'll get this last little video with this phone, swap over to the new daddy. But yeah, let's clean this thing up, man, and get it cleaned again, man. I know you guys already seen it multiple times, but I'm gonna show you one more time, dog. Couldn't wait to get back. Brand new daddy. Yes, sir. We should have some crystal clear content now. Alrighty, guys, next day here, and I look a little bit darker on this camera, but it's all good, man. We are about to get this thing loaded up here, and then we'll probably be heading out to LA later on today. So let's just load this thing up for you guys and wrap this thing on up now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, you guys were waiting for it, and it happened. Now I know I gotta have at least like 2 straps on here now, so I'm not about to do that again. If it would have sucked if that wheel would have caught, but you know, it is what it is. We got it up there now, so let's just know to double strap that next time, because that one strap is apparently not enough. But we lucked up, it's up there now, so it is what it is. Sitting here wondering how that happened, because I did it so many times before, but I figured it out. I had it on the 3rd one, so it was barely like catching it. So when it pulled out a little bit, it was easy for that thing to fall off. So I usually put it on the 2nd one. This one I was just moving too fast and forgot, but won't happen again. That one will be just enough next time, because it's never happened before. But all in all, we got that thing up there, man. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing all strapped up. My dumb self forgot to freaking strap this up, so I gotta loosen this side up and strap this ramp in there, but for the most part, we good to go, man. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. You see we got the bike loaded up on that big black truck back there, man. We are heading to LA. We trying to get that thing sold, make some moves so we don't gotta sell the Corvette, at least right away, at least. So with that being said, man, come rock with your boy. We got everything loaded up. We about to load up that CVO wheel, try to sell that, just try to make some money, man. So come with your boy and let's rock out, dog. Alrighty, guys, and just like that, ooh, we got a fresh cut. Got that fresh young, you feel me? Y'all need a cut, man, go hit up my boy JD, man. He's a whiz with the clicks, man. Alrighty, guys, we finally made it to LA, man. Let's check these straps and see how he doing. Okay. Good there. And that's one there. Be good now. So yeah, let's gas back up. We're literally on ERE. That's the thing about this V6. Like, it's cool when you're not towing, but when you're towing, man, this thing is a gas guzzler though. But all in all, looking pretty good, man. I'm digging it. What y'all think? Feel me? Just pulled up to the homie crib. Got the big black truck over there. Big trailers and all that. Homie got the bike over here. And big wet. You see what's going on? Yes, sir. Big 23s on that thing. Murdered out. You feel me? With the oohs and the ahs on there, man. Yeah, we just chilling until we get a bite on that bike. Alrighty, guys. We are pretty much on our way to go drop this bike off. We had it on the back literally all day. Been in traffic all day, but it finally worked out, man. We on our way to go drop this thing off right now. So I'm gonna be offloading this thing within the next 15 minutes, and then I'll get back with you guys after I offload it, and then see where we stand with you know, everything. We'll be getting restarted and, you know, trying to figure out what we're gonna do, because bike season is pretty much over, and the auctions are gonna the auctions are gonna be a lot cheaper right now, especially with Christmas and everything coming up. So we'll see what happens, man. But yeah, let's get this thing off the truck and get it offloaded. Alrighty, guys, we just got this thing offloaded, and it is here. Should be the last time we be pretty much recording this bike. So hope for the best and go from there. And just like that, guys, it is pretty much a done dada. We just got the truck left. Not even a truck left, but this is all we have along with the vet. We need to hit the auction again. So we on the prowl, man. We are on the prowl. Get a truck, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Gas will be decent, they said. Hey, man, but it is what it is, man. We rocking and we rolling in the black and orange seats, man. What y'all think, dog?